Hey friends, as the weather gets colder in the fall and winter here, of course, we start thinking about those holidays. But as apparel decorators, what we really should be thinking about are those winter sports and accompanying spirit wear. Now I'm talking from high school, college, and pro. There's tons of sports action that heats up right here in the wintertime. And today I want to show you just how easy it is to print the wide variety of transfers with just a heat press. Everything from jerseys to warm-up gear and even spirit wear for the fans too. So are you ready? Let's get started. If you're new to Transfer Express, we do custom screen printed and digital heat transfers, heat presses, designs, apparel, and advice to help grow your t-shirt business. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our Transfer Express YouTube channel. We are kicking out new, helpful videos like this one every single week. With any athletic program and any sport, there is a wide variety of apparel needed for any season. I'm talking from workout and team gear to on-the-court jerseys and even spirit wear there for the fans. So you could decorate it all with just your heat press at your home or your business. So to really kick this thing off here, I want to show you some super simple applications on a basketball jersey, and then we're also going to cover some of the different transfer types that we have here at Transfer Express and what they apply on, as well as I want to try to inspire some profit-packed business opportunities for you and your t-shirt business. Now first off here, I want to show you how easy it is to decorate a basketball jersey. Now, it's not just limited to jerseys because of course you want to pair the matching shorts to it too. While some schools and programs don't have any personalization on the shorts like a number or even a logo, some do. And that's a perfect add-on opportunity for you to use with our gang sheet transfers. So here we have one of our Elastiprints transfers, and this has our full front center logo for the jersey, and then we could use all of these Wildcats here down at the bottom or the smaller logo to put onto the shorts. Now, because these are our Elastiprints transfers, they are designed for 100% polyester. Now, of course, you could also put these same transfers on fan wear too, so you could really get the best bang for your buck by putting a whole bunch onto a gang sheet and sending it on out. So with just one example of a basketball jersey here, look, we've got our Elastiprints logo here. And one other thing that I want to talk about before we actually get to applying anything is our stock numbers and express names. Now they do come in a wide variety of different font styles and colors that you could choose that's perfectly matched to any of our standard ink colors should you choose to use them. Now with the names, they are as low as $1.80 a piece, which just makes personalization a breeze, and you don't have to worry about any weeding or buying a cutter to apply yourself. They apply with the same inks that are on the front hand side, so everything matches perfectly. Now those are available on transferexpress.com in our individual names and numbers section. And there, if you have a full team, you could upload a CSV or a text file and let us know everybody who's on the team to make sure the names are correct before they're sent to you, or you can manually go in and input each individual name. So for our basketball jersey here, we will be printing on this 100% polyester jersey. Now this does say that there is a spandex content in here, but it's just in these inserts into the sides to give it a little bit of extra stretch. We don't have to worry about that because we'll just be printing on this 100% polyester face. We'll go ahead and just cut our main graphic out of the sheet. I'm also going to cut this here just to even it up. Now that we're back here at the heat press, we'll go ahead and open up our jersey and slide it right onto the lower platen. Of course, right here, we are using the Hottronic 16x20 auto open clamshell press, just one of my absolute favorites. We'll want to look down the sides to make sure here that we are aligned perfectly centered on the platen. Now, because this is polyester, we're going to want to make sure that we're not going to scorch it with a high heat, so we'll go ahead and pre-press this at 290 degrees. Darker colored polyesters tend to be a little bit more heat sensitive than the lighter colors. I think we're going to be A-okay at 290 degrees here, so we'll go ahead and pre-press this for 5 seconds. And we always pre-press our garments to remove any moisture and wrinkles from the fabric itself. Now we'll go ahead and grab our transfer that I was talking about and cut off of our gang sheet earlier. We'll go ahead and lay this one down right here on the garment. Now, depending on if you're putting numbers on the front as well, you'll want to keep this a little bit higher if you're putting numbers lower, or a little bit lower if you're putting numbers higher up. Here we're just going to do about the standard 3-finger down from the top of the collar, just to show you how easy these Elastiprints transfers apply. Now Elastiprints apply at 290 degrees for 15 seconds. Now once the press opens, we're not going to peel it. We'll go ahead and remove our jersey from the heat press and lay it on down so it could cool. And once it feels nice and cool, we'll go ahead and remove the carrier sheet. Now we're going to do that just by starting right here at one corner and peel it all the way off. And there you have it, a beautiful screen printed jersey. Now we talked about gang sheets and how you could build profit in your project and minimize the print cost, but I want to show you an example of a basketball jersey and matching shorts that take advantage of the express names, the stock numbers, even our flag packs, and our Elastiprint transfers like you saw us print earlier. Now, this jersey, of course, has the Elastiprints graphic that we printed on our jersey here today, coupled with some large stock numbers from TransferExpress.com. On the backhand side, we have one of our flag packs that are available in both the United States forward and reverse if they were to be included on a sleeve, and also the Canadian flag. Right here, we have our express names and, of course, another stock number. Now, the stock numbers do come in quite a few different sizes so that you could have numbers here on the front of the jersey and also matching numbers on the shorts as well. Now, these shorts, not only do they use the stock numbers, but they also use one of the smaller prints that we had included on the Elastiprints gang sheet. And that allows us to decorate these shorts at no added print cost, just your time to apply them. And as you saw, the Elastiprints apply nice and quick and super easy. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there's quite a few different sizes of the stock numbers available at TransferExpress.com, and this hockey jersey is an awesome example of how to use them. So here, large numbers on the back for the jersey and matching numbers here on the sleeves, but in the smaller 4-inch size. So for a hockey jersey, you're going to have decoration on both sleeves. We have one of our absolutely awesome full color CAD express prints right here on the front. Now, we used an express print here because of the full color logo and also the super low application temperature of this heat sensitive hockey jersey. Now, this applies at 250 degrees and looks absolutely awesome on the garment. Now, coming from the express prints, a wonderful decoration method that we did mention is Ultracolor. Ultracolor Soft is going to apply on cotton, polyester, and cotton poly blends and allow you to do limitless color and detail as well, while also showing through to the garment like this. Now, one style we've seen rise in popularity in the past few years are reversible jerseys. So here we would have the home style on the front, name, number on the back, and a logo, and all you have to do is go ahead and turn it inside out and you have an away jersey ready to go. Now, you can't forget about the fans or coaches either. We're talking polos and any coach apparel, or the fan wear for the moms and dads and happy parents out there in the stands cheering on those youngsters. But that's all that we've got for you here today. I want to thank you so much for watching. But from jerseys to fan wear, it's just so profitable and easy to use custom transfers for that decoration and personalization that I showed you here today. With quick turnaround times, it is super easy to create premium, quality, printed t-shirts on almost any last-minute project. Now, if you want to learn more or get some free samples for yourself, head on over to transferexpress.com or just click the link that we have in the description below. Now, be sure you're subscribed here to our Transfer Express channel because we're dropping new videos just like this one every single week. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.